Saving with Shay. It's so freaking late right now. It's 3 o'clock and I'm barely doing my Walmart haul. Now to be fair, I did start yesterday. I did the Persil, which y'all know I loves me some Persil. And so whenever I can get that for really cheap, sign me up. I did it yesterday. I was hoping it would reset. It did reset for me this afternoon, which is why I'm kind of going out late. And I was gonna do a separate receipt yesterday, but I was just like, if it don't reset, I'm gonna have to take it back. And so, and plus I wasn't even close to hitting the 18 that I needed. My weekend, I need 18 offers for $5. Now for the larger one, I only need like 8 or 9, I think, probably even less than that. So the goal today is to hit a total of 18 altogether, get back $15, which is really awesome. And the Persil made it super easy because my goal was to get 9 of those so I could hit the Fetch Reward offer, which was spend 30, get back $3.80. And then I had $2 pillies as well, and I kind of just mixed them up because they do have a limit of 4 like coupons at Walmart. If you're new here, duh. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Hello, Shay with the Pow Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Why do you park right behind me? You psycho. Gosh, what are you doing? I can't stand when people park right. Or at least I'm recording, so if something happened, well, shit, you ain't gonna know. Somebody will eventually know. But, I'm watching, I'm looking, I'm watching, I'm looking. Sometimes you gotta watch your own back. So anyway, so listen, I lost my whole train of thought. Credit for that Sara Lee ham that I got 2 videos ago. I had to send a picture of the receipt and the offer that I was missing, which it was a $6 back for buying 2. They only sent me $2.50, so technically they only owed me $4.50, but they did send me $6 again, which I kind of low-key expected because I saw a lot of you guys that were, you know, getting paid back. You were getting back more. And so, but I won't be doing this early. I just don't, it's just too hit or miss. The offer on Checkout 51 has been coming and going for me, at least. I know that I'll check it and it says gone, and then I'll check it again. It'll say it's here and it's gone and it's here. Usually when that happens, it doesn't go through for me on Checkout 51 and I have to put a ticket in, but I do eventually get credit. But with that being said, without further ado, we're gonna head to Walmart so we kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what you can grab, you need to do, keep on watching. So this first deal I saw Miss Nicole over on Instagram posted. I don't see it. This store doesn't carry it. I think it's the other store that carries it. I'll pop up a picture of it though. It's on the Feel Good Foods. I was really hoping the offer would be available for Sprouts. They're a little cheaper there. They're $5.99. It's their price at $7.57. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You end up paying $15.14 out of pocket. I do have a free offer for Social Nature. I also have buy one get one free for Aisle, making them both free. And then we also have $1 for each on Ibotta, making them both free plus a $2 moneymaker. I'm not going to grab it today. I'll probably grab it next time around when I'm up by that particular Walmart that carries it. Okay, this is another deal I saw Miss Nicole post. It's on the Hidden Valley Ranch. For this, it's the little small one. It's priced on rollback for $3.70, and for this, the offer is on Shopkick, getting back 750 kicks, which is $3, bringing it down to only 70 cents. And I believe the limit on this is limit of 1. All right, next up is the Simply Organics. It's on the little seasoning packets. They have like different varieties. They're priced at $167. I saw Nicole post this deal as well, getting back 360 kicks, which is $144, brings them down to only 23 cents per pack. All right, so this next deal is on the GoMacros. We went over this in my last video, and I did see a couple other people say it was on the chocolate chip and the salted caramel. The one I got last time, I believe, was a peanut butter chocolate chip. I'm not even sure if it's gonna work. If not, then I'll have to return it, obviously. I do have another offer. I'll probably go to Target and grab it there. I think they have them there for like $9 and change. You'll get that back through sample. and then you'll get back 50 cents on Ibotta. Unless, of course, you're super, super special and you have $3 back on Ibotta, then that would make it a $3 moneymaker, which is really awesome. For me, it's just 50 cents. And so, yeah, I'll have a link in the description. All right, next up is the Weathers Original Popcorn. This is so good, you guys. It's priced at $3.12. There's an offer on Shopkick. Y'all know I'm not using Shopkick right now, but there's been some pretty awesome deals that I just want to share for those of you who are still using it. And this is one of them. You're getting back 500 kicks, which is $2. So it makes this $1.12. If I was using Shopkick, I would definitely pick it up. All right, so this is another deal they don't carry at this location. It's on the Mighty Sparks. Amy mentioned this the other day, and I was like, that's not a bad deal. And, you know, with some beef jerky, you know what I mean? And so, and it's an easy snack, you know, throw it in your purse, glove box, you know, when you want something and you don't want to go and make some mistakes, you can just chomp on that. And so, but they don't carry them here. I grabbed them yesterday. It's a 4-pack. Their price is $6.88. I grabbed 2 of them. Paid $13.76, got back $6.88 for an aisle offer. It's a buy one get one free, and $1.50 for each on Ibotta. Brings them down to $1.94 per pack. Okay, real quick. I was here yesterday and I saw these for $1. Of course, they didn't have any right here, so your girl had to climb her butt up there and grab some and not break her neck. And I did. I grabbed 3 of them, but these are on Manager Special for $1. And there's like literally a whole end cap down there of a bunch of them. There goes the UPC so you can check your area. So you could just literally scan this from your phone or your TV. And they are only $1. And these are like my favorite crackers. I don't buy them often because they're pretty pricey. Literally a whole end cap. And these are only $1. Yeah. I want to buy some more, but I won't be greedy. But I low-key want to buy some more because they're only $1. Like, why not, right? Grab the Berry Light again. Price at $3.46. $2 back on aisle. And then $1.25 on Ibotta. We'll bring that down to only 21 cents. So this next deal is on the Persil. This deal popped up on Ibotta. Oh, they have some small ones up there. I'm not sure if it's going to reset for me because I did it yesterday. And I grabbed 5 of them. But for this, grabbing one at $5.44. If you have pillies, they were like different pillies. I mixed it up yesterday because they do have a coupon limit of 4 light coupons per transaction. And so I think I used 3 of these and 2 of the other ones, those smaller ones that we got like a super duper long time ago. And these I found here at Walmart. I've seen people find the hang tags also at Target, so I would check there as well. And so for this, you're grabbing one at $5.44. I'm using this $2 pilly right here. You'll end up paying $3.44. You'll get back 3 on Ibotta, makes it 44 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal. Now we do have an offer on Fetch that is a spend 30, get back $3.80. So for that, you would have to get a total of 9 of them, which would then make it 16 cents for all 9, which is practically free, right? That's like free. All right, so this next deal is on the Awe. It's on the little Mighty Packs. They're priced at $4.97. Now we have 2 different offers on Ibotta. One is for the original, and then one is for the Spring Breeze. Now for this one, we have a $2 peely. I found these a while ago. That'll bring the total down to you paying $2.97. You can like 75 cents on Ibotta. Makes it $2.22 each. And then keep your eyes peeled for these hang tags. It's on the dryer sheets. And they're good until the end of the year. And so let me show you what we can do with this coupon. So with this, you could grab the 80 count, all free and clear, price at $3.74, $2 coupon, you'll pay $1.74. Get back 75 cents on Ibotta, makes this only 98 cents. All right, y'all. So this is the store that I was at in my last haul. And they had this one here for $2.50. Now it's $1.50. It's the medium one. It's the foaming clean one, but it's a single count, and it's the medium one. That is $1.50. We have an offer on Ibotta for $2. Now, I was able to submit my receipt from last time since it's been less than 7 days since purchase date. And so I did get back an extra 2 for that one that I got. I'll look at there to see if I can find any, because for $1.50, I would definitely get it. I do have these right here. I'll have to pop up a picture if it's too much of a glare. But the first one, I shared this in my last video. and I think they're a little bit lower in price. But the first one here, the Total, Colgate Total, Power one is $4, and the Optic White one is, no, they're both $4 each. I'm gonna see if we have offers on Ibotta that will match up with those. Next deal is on the dial. I did find these little hang tag coupons for $2. I'm not sure if it's gonna work on these, but they're $3.97. You'll pay $1.97 after the coupon, get back $1 on Ibotta, makes it 97 cents. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. If anything, I would have to get this one, the hydration one, but we're gonna see if we can grab this one here. Really quick, guys. I was at a store yesterday and they had a ton of the lawn care stuff, sprayers on clearance, and just seeing if that was a coupon because those are only $1. But a lot of this stuff is anywhere between $1 and it looks like maybe $6. Definitely check your garden section, lawn and garden section. Check like anything over here on the outside because they had a ton of stuff like, you know, like water hose nozzle spray things. They had those. Oh, these are only $1. I should get a couple. But I got one for like $2. It's normally like $13. So check everything outdoor, lawn, garden care, pool care, because a lot of the stuff they are on manager special. They even have the what are these for? What do you call that little thing that you use to trimmer lines? These are only 25 cents. Like I think we use a green one. I don't know if that's the particular brand, but even over here, a lot of the zip lines, they're 25 cents. That's super, super cheap. So check your area. I see a lot of really, really low prices. Like they really are trying to get rid of this stuff. And so, yeah, like I know I don't need no freaking notebooks, but I'm thinking of at least getting 20. I can donate them to Josiah's school. It looks like they're only college roll. Well, actually, no. Looks like they have both. I'm going to grab 20 and I'm going to donate them to Josiah's school. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. This was pretty simple. The Persil. So I grabbed 5 yesterday. I was supposed to grab 4 today, but I only grabbed 3. And was like, okay, how come I didn't hit the offer for batch? And realized, duh, I did say I was supposed to buy 9. I only grabbed 3. So I had to go back in because I already had submitted that receipt to Ibotta for the 3. I went ahead and clicked the offer for Walmart rewards and then submitted that one back $3 for that 9th bag, our 9th Persil. And so basically ended up making that deal $2.16 for 9 of them, which is pretty awesome. Really quick with aisle offers, I've been having like little issues here and there. Like I'll text a picture and it'll say, I forget exactly what it says. Let me find it. Because it'll say something like, sorry, this service is not available. That's what I've been getting. And I'll just text offer. It should tell you the current offer that they have for you. I had that issue last time. And then for this haul, I had that issue with the Berry Light. And then it said something like, you know, you have to submit a receipt that was before June. Like, are you serious right now? So I ended up sending the receipt to that general number, and then it said, we'll see if we can find something. And then it said we didn't find anything. And then if there's something that you think we missed, I put in the Berry Light, and then the Berry Light number texted me saying that they got my receipt. But I have been having issues. Luckily, nothing like major. But I did get paid back for the Mighty Spark already. If you guys have tried this, let me know. I'm actually really curious to try them. I'm not too sure about this honey jalapeno though. I mean, I like honey and I like jalapeno, but I don't know if I like them together. But I wanted to try both, so that's why I got one of each. That offer did go through the next day on aisle. Doritos, I was short one offer, so I had an offer for 5 cents on tortilla chips, and that worked, and it's 48 cents, so it made it like 43 cents. As far as my coupons, all my coupons scanned for the dial and the Persil. And so I'm gonna try to make this quick. I only had a few receipts for today. And so everything that you see here retails $78.37. Again, I had $20 in coupons. They all scanned. I went to self-checkout. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $58.37. My sales tax was $4.90. And then we walk away with $47.30 from Ibotta. Aisle is $8.88. I did cash out for PayPal for $6.91. Walmart rewards is $5. And last but not least, Special Reward was $3.80. So we get back a total of $71.89 back. Makes everything you see here free, plus a $13.52 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. In the comments, I want to see a chicken emoji if you make it to the end. And I will see you in the next one.